Welcome to this deep dive. Today we're on a mission to answer a really highly practical question for you. We've got some great notes provided by Collision Auto Glass and Calibration, and we are basically asking, how much does it actually cost to replace a windshield in Lake Oswego, Oregon?
Yeah, just to respect your time and give you the bottom line right up front. Typical replacements in that area run between $200 and $600.
200 to 600. I mean, that is a pretty wide range. So let's break down those variables.
Right.
If you're driving an everyday sedan or, a compact car or a basic SUV, you're usually looking at a standard cost of about $250 to $400.
Exactly. And if you look at the breakdown of that baseline quote, the glass itself only accounts for maybe 60 to 70% of the total.
Oh, really? So the rest are just labor.
Yeah, the remainder covers the professional installation, which
Yeah.
is, it's a lot more complex than just popping a pane of glass into a frame.
Right, because it's structural.
Exactly. The windshield is a critical structural component of the vehicle. It literally supports the roof in a rollover accident, and it provides the backstop for the passenger side airbag.
Why?
So getting that urethane seal absolutely perfect requires serious expertise.
Okay, so that explains the baseline and the labor. But we are seeing quotes easily hitting $600, or frankly, even more. Let's talk about what's driving that premium.
Well, we all know the premium you pay for OEM glass, original equipment manufacturer glass, to match your vehicle's exact original specifications rather than going with aftermarket options.
Right.
But the real variable pushing prices toward that higher end nowadays is the hardware baked right into the glass itself.
I'm looking at these add-ons right now. You've got built-in rain sensors, heating elements to melt ice, and compatibility for heads-up displays that project your speed directly onto the glass.
Yeah, each one of those,
It feels like you're buying a piece of complex hardware, not just a window.
you essentially are. Each one of those features can add anywhere from $50 to $200 to your base price. And that hardware is completely useless if the ADS calibration isn't done correctly.
ADS, the Advanced Driver Assistance Systems.
Exactly. When you're relying on automatic emergency braking or lane departure warnings, the cameras and sensors for those systems literally look right through the windshield.
It's the classic modern car dilemma. You get a tiny rock chip on the highway, and suddenly you are paying to recalibrate a supercomputer.
That is a perfect way to put it. Simply swapping the glass isn't enough anymore. Because those sensors are looking through the glass, they rely on its absolute clarity and precise curvature to read the road.
Which means if the new glass is even slightly misaligned, or if there's an invisible distortion in the aftermarket glass, the car's computer might misjudge the distance of an obstacle.
The stakes there are incredibly high. A misaligned camera could mean your automatic braking engages a critical second too late.
Or your lane keep assist steers you right over the line.
Right. So after the new glass is installed, the entire system requires a highly technical, precise calibration to ensure those safety features actually work the way they're supposed to.
Because of that tech dependency, you really can't rely on generic ballpark figures anymore. Looking at the notes provided by Collision Auto Glass, they emphasize that quotes have to be tied to your exact VIN and tech package.
It comes down to knowing the exact technology embedded in your dashboard and your glass before you sign off on any work.
Yeah, and if you are in the Portland or Lake Oswego area, they actually do free tailored estimates to figure out exactly what your specific car needs. You can reach out to them for that tailored quote at collisionautoglass.com or give them a call at 503-656-3500.
To leave you with a final thought to mull over, as basic car glass becomes increasingly packed with complex sensors and ADAS tech, will the windshield of the near future stop being considered a simple replaceable part? We seem to be rapidly approaching a day where it will instead be viewed as a highly specialized structural computer screen that just happens to block the wind.